Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody. Guys. In weekly research we have taken a look at the euro currency. So we have said that mostly it looks bearish, and we expect in the medium-term perspective downward continuation, especially if we will get the positive non-farm payrolls release. That could really put another additional burden to euro currency, and probably it could continue move lower. But today we will return back to discussion of the New Zealand dollar, because we have the setup in progress, and we just have left it for a while because it was necessary to take a look at the British pound and then the euro currency. But right now we could return back to discussion of this setup. In general, just to remind you, we expect on the New Zealand dollar deep retracement that should take place on the weekly chart. Market could reach as far as 67 area. And currently we discussed the second opportunity for taking the short position. Initial opportunity was right at the top, right here, because here we've got the appearing of the butterfly on the 4-hour time frame chart, and that has triggered the downward action here. But as we said last time, if you have missed the opportunity to take position on this top, you will get another one, and probably not even just one opportunity. Maybe we will get more. But right now we're approaching to the moment where we could think about taking another position. So for those of you who do not have any shorts, you could think about taking short. For those of you who already have taken the short here, you could think about the scale in. So here we could get, guys, two different patterns. First one is the minor pattern right here, right at the top, and it could become the head and shoulders, as you can see. So market right now has dropped right to these previous lows. It's also the daily oversold, and it coincides slightly higher than maybe 6 confluence support, but it's probably the 3 support of this most recent action up. Anyway, market is showing right now a nice bounce up from here. That could become the head and shoulders. So the first opportunity where we could think about taking short position will be the top of the right shoulder, where, following the logic of this pattern, market should reestablish downward action. Taking into consideration the significant drop on the slope of the head, this chance really exists, and this is the moment we were approximately 71.50 area where we will think about the going short. After that, when this pattern will be formed, we could move directly, or with some interruptions, some pauses, but right to the 67, since this could become another support is the neckline of the larger pattern. As you can see here, we could get another head and shoulders. So this will be the first attempt to take in position. Here, guys, will be our probably destination point. After that, if market will start to form right shoulder of this big pattern, we could try to take another short with a downward A, B, C, top, D pattern. But this is really extended view. Maybe it will not be realized on the market. We will see. But right now, we're mostly interested with this small pattern. So as you can see, market right now at the daily oversold and taking the upward retracement. On the 4-hour time frame chart, you could see this pattern better. So that could become, as I said, left shoulder head. That was, by the way, our butterfly that we have discussed right prior to the Brexit results. This drop down, and here we see another signs of the possible upward continuation. We have this hidden bullish divergence with the MACD. So you can see market MACD hits new low, while market doesn't show the same action. This is called usually as the hidden divergence, bullish divergence. Then also another reason why we expect that market probably will continue move higher. But following this logic, we expect that market should show upward action and hit this area. Also, guys, take a look. This will be also the weekly pivot point that has been tested yet within the week. Market right now stands in area of the weekly pivot support 1. It's also neckline. So right now in today's session, maybe in the beginning of the tomorrow, we expect the continuation and finally reaching the 71.70, 71.50 top. This also will be the 618 resistance. On the hourly chart, we see another important moment. So here we have got this triple two buy pattern. Got this triple two buy, thrust up, ABCD retracement, upward continuation. So if we will take a look at this A, B, C bottom, D point, you can see that it should lead market right to the same area. So we will have agreement resistance right in the 71.70 area. So that's been said. That's our object to monitor. We expect to get this destination point today, tomorrow session. So, and here, that's our object where we point area where we will probably take the short position where we will should think about the going short. After that, we expect the development of this head and shoulders to the downside. It's probably drop, continuation of the drop. So that's our scenario. Currently, as you can see, everything is stands in agreement with the overall weekly setup. On the weekly chart, guys, we have ABCD completion right here. So market has formed this high wave pattern and the breaks volatility, but market stands at the major weekly fib level. There's a 618 resistance at weekly ever bar, and this is also weekly agreement resistance. Market has completed A, B, C bottom, D pattern, and we expect significant retracement here to the downside. That's currently everything that is happening is going on the lower time frame charts, on the daily, on the forward time frame. Mostly confirms overall view and doesn't move in the contradiction with the weekly picture. So that's our current view on the New Zealand dollar. Situation here is very nice. Let's keep watching. Let's hope that we will get here and we will get the chance to add more to our short position.